O President ka NPP o Conrad ki sangma ulakan taj baka Jingbym ai tiket show ya ki MLA kan day ka jing Shet Kylla Henry ulaong baka parti ka habban bishar ya ka jinglong jingman jong ki kertong. Habakren hakalaiterik uno pra hajar puar ha office ka NPP Shillong u Conrad ulaong ba day tang ka NPP ka bapendu tiket ya ki MLA Henry ki wei ki sengsan perthairu ki le kumju wat la ka day ka bajuat baha ban shim ya kum ka nikarai. La ban kedew ba arngut ki MLA ka NPP ki la petno sya ka BJP kad ba uwei ula ban let sya ka TMC hadian baka parti kan pendu tiket yaki.
There's no question of any betrayal as such. Obviously, for the party, we have to, look at all angles. We have to look at all aspects of the upcoming elections. We are not the only political party that does this. Does this or has to take decisions like this. These are not easy decisions. I'm not saying it's very simple for us to just decide and just move forward and not give a ticket to somebody. It's very tough, but as a leader of the party and as the president of the party, I have certain responsibilities to ensure that we take the party forward in the coming elections in its best possible way. And therefore some tough decisions have to be taken and we have to do it. This does not mean we have anything against anybody. And as I mentioned, there are many political parties in the country. You will always find large, big parties. They also have denied ticket to many sitting MLAs, and that happens. Is it the best thing? Well, it's not, because it's not easy for us to decide. But as I said, we have to take tough decisions in keeping in mind the larger interests of the state, the larger interests of the party.